Hi, I'm Leslie Walker. Welcome to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. We have some exciting news about a major player in the automotive design world making a significant move into the U.S. market. Italian automotive design and engineering firm Italdesign, a name synonymous with cutting-edge innovation and legendary collaborations, has announced that it will establish its U.S. headquarters in Bloomfield Township, Michigan. This development marks a $20 million investment and the creation of 24 high-paying jobs right here in the heart of America's automotive industry. The new headquarters will be located at 6785 Telegraph Road and is expected to house roles in engineering, sales, marketing, and administration. These positions come with an impressive average wage of $56.70 per hour, reflecting Italdesign's commitment to attracting top-tier talent. For those unfamiliar with Italdesign, let's take a moment to appreciate its rich history. Founded in Italy in 1968, the company has collaborated with some of the biggest names in the automotive industry, including Volkswagen and Audi. Italdesign played a key role in shaping iconic models, such as the first-generation Volkswagen Golf, Scirocco, Passat, and the Audi 80. These are vehicles that have left an indelible mark on the industry and continue to inspire automotive design to this day. Now, Italdesign is bringing its legacy of innovation to Michigan, a state already renowned for its contributions to the global automotive sector. This decision to set up operations in Bloomfield Township is a testament to Michigan's status as a hub for engineering talent and automotive expertise. Governor Gretchen Whitmer welcomed the announcement, stating that it aligns perfectly with Michigan's efforts to grow its economy, bring supply chains closer to home, and reinforce the state's reputation as a leader in the automotive world. In her words, this investment is a testament to Michigan's leadership in the global automotive industry and our commitment to creating high-paying jobs. What does this mean for our local community and the industry at large? Well, this investment is more than just a financial boost. It's about fostering innovation, creating opportunities, and driving progress. With its state-of-the-art facility, Italdesign is expected to contribute significantly to Michigan's position as a global leader in automotive design and engineering. This development also signals an exciting new chapter for Italdesign as it expands its presence in the North American market. By setting up shop in Michigan, the company positions itself to better collaborate with automakers and suppliers, paving the way for groundbreaking designs and innovations that will shape the future of transportation. So, what's next? As Italdesign begins operations at its new U.S. headquarters, we'll be keeping a close eye on their projects and collaborations. For the automotive industry, this is a clear sign of growth and an affirmation that Michigan remains the go-to destination for global leaders in design and engineering. That's the story, an exciting chapter for Italdesign, a win for Michigan, and a moment of progress for the automotive industry as a whole. Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.